In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use spell check in Adobe Acrobat DC. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your PDF, make the text editable, run a thorough spell check, review suggestions confidently, and save everything properly so your changes stick. First, open Adobe Acrobat DC and bring your document into view. Go to the File menu and choose Open, then select the PDF you want to review. Give it a moment to load. It's helpful to glance through the pages to get a sense of where text appears and what sections you care about most before you start. Next, enable editing mode, because spell check only works on editable text. Click the Tools tab and choose Edit PDF. When this mode is active, you'll notice that text becomes selectable, and boxes may appear around paragraphs or lines. If you try to click and nothing highlights, the content may be an image or a scan. In many cases, Edit PDF will automatically recognize text, so you can work with it. Once you can place your cursor inside words, you're ready to proceed. Now run the spell check. Go to the Edit menu at the top and select Check Spelling. You'll see choices to check in this document or in selected text. Use in selected text if you only want to review a specific section you've highlighted, which can be great for long files. Otherwise, choose in this document to scan the entire PDF, ensuring you don't miss anything. As Acrobat scans, it will pause on words it thinks are misspelled and offer suggestions. You can change a word to the suggested correction, ignore it once if the word is acceptable in that spot, or ignore all to skip every instance of that same word throughout the document. If a term is a proper noun or a unique brand that you'll use again, you can add it to your dictionary so Acrobat won't flag it in future checks. Take a moment with each prompt to confirm the context is right before applying a change, especially for words that can be correct in multiple spellings or meanings. When you're satisfied, save your work. Choose File, then Save to update the current file, or use Save as if you want to create a new copy and preserve the original version untouched. Finally, close the app normally to finalize everything. On Windows, click the X in the top right corner or go to File and choose Exit. On a Mac, use the Adobe Acrobat menu and select Quit or press Command plus Q. Closing properly ensures all spelling edits are fully written to the file and helps prevent corruption.